Unraveling the mystery of pin action in bowling and beyond. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is not just educational, but also fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might strike you as a bit peculiar at first: pin action. Whether you're a fan of bowling or just love exploring colorful expressions, you're in for a treat. So, grab your notebooks, and let's knock down the meaning together. Pin action primarily hails from the alleys of bowling, a sport many of you might be familiar with. In bowling, after a player rolls the ball down the lane, what happens to the pins is known as pin action. Good pin action means that the pins knock into each other effectively, potentially leading to a strike, which is when all pins are knocked down with a single roll. But wait, there's more. Pin action isn't confined to the bowling arena. In English, we love to take terms from specific contexts and apply them metaphorically to others. When someone talks about pin action outside of bowling, they're often referring to a situation where one action sets off a series of events. Much like how one pin knocks down another in bowling. Let's put pin action into real-life context. Imagine a new technological innovation is introduced, and it changes how an entire industry operates. That's pin action. Or perhaps a decision made by a company causes a chain reaction affecting the whole market. Yes, you guessed it. That's pin action, too. The term captures the essence of a trigger event leading to a domino effect. And there you have it. You've learned about the fascinating term, pin action, and how it rolls from the bowling alleys into everyday conversations. We hope you found this explainer as enjoyable as hitting a strike in bowling. Keep practicing your English, and remember, sometimes all it takes is a little pin action to set your language learning journey into motion. Until next time, keep on learning and see you in the next video.